Hi there, Ann Hill here to show you how to cook hearty family meals that are quick and easy with Beyond Meat, a plant-based product that has no soy, no GMOs, and no cholesterol, but it does have 20 grams of protein. So it's healthy for you and it's healthy for the environment. If you like our family recipes, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Today we're going to make Beyond Meat sausage cheese biscuits, and boy are they delicious. Remember to thaw your Beyond Meat sausage patties overnight in the fridge or for a quick mix a couple hours on the counter. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Beyond Meat sausage patties come in spicy or classic. You can use one flavor or combine them. First, put 3 cups of Bisquick in your mixing bowl. Add 8 ounces, which is 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Then add 8 ounces, which is 2 cups of shredded Monterrey Jack Cheese. Slightly mix your Bisquick and 2 cheeses together. The last ingredient to add is your Beyond Meat sausage thawed in either a combination of classic, spicy, or one or the other, torn into small pieces. You'll be using 3 boxes of Beyond Meat sausage patties. There are 6 sausage patties in each box, which will equal to 18 patties. After you've torn all your sausage pieces into your mixture, then it's time to start kneading and folding. And it's going to take quite a while. Just knead and fold. Get your hands into it. This protein-packed biscuit is great for breakfast on the run, a quick lunch, or all-day snacking. Once the mixture starts to stick together in your hands, you can form them into ping-pong-sized balls. This recipe should yield 4 to 5 dozen biscuits. You'll know your sausage cheese biscuits are ready when they're a nice golden color. After removing your sausage cheese biscuits from the oven, allow them to cool on the cookie sheet for about 10 minutes. After the sausage cheese biscuits have cooled for 10 minutes on the cookie sheet, transfer them to the cooling rack for about another 10 minutes. After your sausage cheese biscuits have thoroughly cooled, place them in a storage container. Then place your storage container in a high traffic area. Then watch these high energy biscuits disappear. Thanks, Mom. Yum. Oops, all gone. Wait, put that fork down for a minute. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health, and let's eat Beyond Meat.